rolling. Okay, we're back and we're rolling. We are on reaction number 13, page 1 of the reaction packet 13. So we've got C3H8 plus O2 making CO2 and water. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got. First up, let's type it. We've got carbon and hydrogen, or hydrocarbon, we have oxygen, and we have carbon dioxide and water. You always recognize combustion reactions off the products because it's always CO2 and water. So it's a combustion reaction. So we set up, what I like to do is set up a scoreboard. We have a specific plan of attack for combustion or hydrocarbon reactions. Number one, you want to balance carbon. So you have 3 here, and what you need here is 3. So you take that 3 and you slide that 3 up there, and carbon's fixed. You can put the purple one down. Okay, let's pick up a red one. We'll do hydrogen next. And the order you do this is very important. You want to go carbon, hydrogen, and we'll always do oxygen last. So hydrogen, we have 8 there. So what we need here is 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times, or 4 times 2 gets you 8, coefficient times subscript. Okay? So hydrogen's done. And when we do combustion, this O2 here will always be done last. Okay? So I've got 4 times 1 here, so I have 4 here. I have 3 times 2 here, which is 6. I need to total this up. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that's my mark. That's my target. What I need here is 10, but I have 2 in play. I need some multiple by 2 to get me 10. So 2 goes into 10 5 times, or 5 times 2 gets you 10. And congratulations, you just balanced your first combustion reaction. Little different technique, a very structured technique for combustion reactions. Number 14. Al plus O2 makes Al2O3. Type it first. A plus B makes AB. It's number 1 on our PowerPoint, which was synthesis. So let's take a look at where we want to start. Well, something jumped right out to me. We've got a 2 here, and we've got a 3 there. On that O, we've got a 2-3 scenario. So what I'm going to do is take that 3 and slide it in there. I'm going to take that 2 and slide it in there, and that's going to balance my O's. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 3, 6. We're done. And next thing I need to do is check my Al's. 2 times 2, remember coefficient times subscript. 2 times 2, I have 4 for Al. And what I need here is 4. So the only way I can get 4 there is to place a 4 there. And that one's done. And we're ready for the last one. Okay, this is very similar to number 13. Notice that you have a carbon-hydrogen molecule, or hydrocarbon, oxygen, and your tip-off for combustion is always the products, carbon dioxide and water, so that makes it a combustion. So first thing you want to do, set up your scoreboard. You got reactants, and you've got products. So count your carbon first. got one. You got one carbon here, 1 and 1 is done. You can put the blue marker down. Next up, we're on to hydrogen. Hydrogen here, we have 4. This is your only source of hydrogen on your product side. So what we need here, we need 4. The only way you're going to get 4 is take 2 into 4, will get you 2. 2 times 2 will get you 4, coefficient times subscript. I'm only going to say that probably 1,000 times doing this packet. Okay, then when we balance oxygen, remember this is always last, okay? So we don't even worry about it. We got to total them up here. So here we have 2, and here we have 2 times 1, coefficient times subscript. We have 2. 2 plus 2 means 4. So what we need here, we need 4. 2 goes into 4, 2 times, or 2 times 2 is 4, and this one's balanced. So we put the 4s in there, and we killed that snake. And that is the kill shot for page 1, which is a good start. Next week we're going to pick it up and continue knocking pages out in this packet. That's the only way we're going to get through balance and typing reactions. So that's it for today, and we'll pick this up on Monday.